Into who say, maybe men sat egg cake and then my hands are clean. Yeah. So, wash on, so even so, gloves from fire, you have to treat the gloves just like your bare hands. It's a look also washing, so something my washing is like you know, something like that. And a bread, you know, bread with hard flour and a bread. There were two types of bread flour, hard flour, soft flour. Soft flour is the other pastries that bread is the hard flour. The hard flour is say gluten content. I gave you a flour where friend gluten. That is the protein in flour. And a gluten and then a flour product extract. I will be baking. I will say you get the shape very well. So taro flour doesn't contain. The gluten in it is minute, until when the taro flour acquire bread, you wouldn't get that stretchy nature. And the gluten is that elastic when it comes to contact with water. The gluten,
wheat flour,
hard flour, which is wheat flour. The make say taro flour, so that they have the right structure for our bread. That is the quantity we are going to. And dry ingredients, your flour, your sugar, and salt. So this is the basic measurement. We are going to use 3 cups of flour in all. I'm going to substitute 1 cup of flour with taro flour. To make use 2 cups bread flour, which is hard flour, then 1 cup taro flour. Flour we use also septic if there are not particles here, and when you sift the flour to a egg, it incorporates air into the mixture and also helps in rising whatever dough you are making. Cake, everything, every baked product with air serves as a raising agent. We will need the egg. We use particles of maybe particles of certain particles that you don't want. As you are taking them out, you still need to sift it. Flour away sometimes you will feel so flour but we have a way of measuring right. But yes, you have to be careful because we put time. Okay, when you fetch, ideally you are supposed to fetch like this. What they can punish now, sir? And my quantity is more, but sometimes you need to walk another spoon and another fish. Weigh near 1 cup. A dog, it will say, no, I don't want your horse. Wait a little on the side. See, when you're friend 1 cup, say a half cup, say a quarter cup, say you soon, and then they are shallow. This is the actual method. This is the seed that we use. The taro flour make we have 2 ways of doing the bread. You can you can activate the yeast somewhere else. The warm water, when you can say you will into bread. If you are activating yeast, however, you can also mix everything together and leave it in a warm place and also so it will move. And only that's a better but the warm water, the man don't mind and warm. Yeast in a warm temperature, it's able to activate at a warm temperature. Until you are warming, you slow and crack cancer. The next day, it's my ingredients, bread. So flour, 3 cups flour. You may use a teaspoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg is this. For nutmeg, I am meant for near ya. Oh, yeah, bread. This is the actual nutmeg. Measurement I also if you weigh 1 teaspoon. You weigh 1 teaspoon. The backup is something. It's about all the spoon so your measurement. Send ye plan. Sani teaspoon. The teaspoon unless it is a liquid. But say a powdery substance and also the same thing level. I want the salt today, but the best is the salt in and this is 2 to 3 tablespoons. It depends. You can vary it to suit your taste. If you have any Yɛde, if you have 3 tablespoons and a do something sugar and say sometimes say more. But so open say that if you have see, and so when you are done, you make a well in the center. You can wear prep and use the room. Maybe you pepper baby that a fine abeda.
Botokro.
So your optional without milk. But the egg in the milk, I come on the man rich. And the butter and I say margarine and so there. Butter may have 2 ways of adding it to a bread dough. We went to the and another melting a crack. Now, and now, so to me, 18 a good flag around me. I will add it directly to it. It will work. Anyhow you do it. But oh yeah, bread I am trying. Then from my green and from the start. For wet ingredients not and a do baby not we are now the butter line there. As a bed to some texture special of the meat. Yet my green is a pound. I didn't like to go for no more fitted bread. Almost started fitting a blue baby and son no more day. In Chennai, they can very depend it. Quarter teaspoon. If I told Sonny that you want water here, you can't hot water here. When you hot water here, you feel the strength of the yeast. See, always make sure your water is warm. Warm meters out of sachet man. And shit. Into 1 cup of liquid, any Yɛde you see. So we are adding milk to it. So we will use half part of milk, half part liquid. You can put it milk in but I don't think that warm milk answer. You know me out there now, so we use some milk on let me use milk. Today with milk, come not higher 1 cup. Then what about yeast? The fermentation, you may increase the quantity of yeast. But yeast, maybe use 2 teaspoonfuls of yeast. Ideally, we better make the 1 teaspoon of yeast. I brodo 5 kg. Ebe 2 kama. Aye pentam. Yeast is funny. Sometimes so funny baby. It affects the taste of the bread. Yeah, you pentam use 2 teaspoons. You use 2 teaspoons. But me say 1 teaspoon. Better make brodo some 5 kg. Put the betting up to brodo some 5 kg. It will come out perfectly. I don't know if you want. Over the time, yeast on that time, I know to hear them go to. The 2 come and I have but yeah, no, the pentam. So 1 teaspoon. And there is one substance, a warmer yeast, activated, which is sugar. Until the sugar can transfer then everything, just to activate it. Open almost activated, almost a bubbles are back in. See what that's the patch up. But to me, see what say. Not yeast na activity. Open so I bet to me direct. No one makes it will work. Brodo na the large scale. Brodo is our process we join them. And we get the name now. Need when we do bread, you will get the best texture. So, because of time, I'm just pouring it inside so that you start with the kneading process. And kneading, you can knead and leave it to brew, and then you shape it into whatever how you want to shape it, or you can knead it, then you shape it into your balls or loaf or whatever. Then you leave it to then we are not the shape of the put to the inside. Over here. Oceana bread dough. Yeah, it was a mission a bit sticky. Into Oceana mission very stiffer. You add more milk or more liquid to it. So this time round we are not going to use. I will add my egg before. Say still a stickier. Now me milk in the still a stiffer. Now me milk. But you expect a very side baby. One job better. Some bread and gluten the woman into egg. What in so come on a egg but near dear when gluten indoors. So it's not that elastic. But I don't say I am but I'm saying no, don't worry, don't bother about it. Come on. So into you say now we're not still like a year. Wait till the milk kakra. So this is the time I'm going to add my fat. The tablespoon. The way you shoot the tablespoon. Fat and also money rich. Into say fat in this try. Fat and also it also affects the outcome of the bread. directly make us away. We friend cake bread, maybe cake bread, maybe to share near cake and you milk with egg. But normally commercially prepared bread, no, I don't far milk and egg. But if you know one moment, then you'll get one fell woman, it will still come out. Edu, anyway, so I'll say something about bread. We need the gluten to be developed internally. The pressure to so, but pastries, pan yeah, they have pressure to so. What the don't say mia. Obama gluten not develop, and then a product now you try, so you don't need it. Now we have our sticky dough. So I say a pacha, but don't bother about it. You be needy. It will come out so well. And you flour the chopping board.
Sometimes it trains.
A little flour. And the flour never been needed till say gluten. Please, when you are kneading your flour, you shouldn't knead the flour less than 10 minutes. It should be 10 minutes or more, depending. This is how we knead the dough. It is very important. So you stretch it like this, and you bring it together. Or mixer, cake mixer. You can use the dough hook. Oh, how we end. But so we need cake mixer you can use. If you make us say, let me a time in here. Say, I see a yellow baby. A back check. Machine bit in the camera. Yes, hold on, sir, but if you do a horse in me machine. Say a pastry flan and a young counting to see. She may bet say, and I say a taro flan on once on the A and so I cannot see intimate stretching. Make sure much out to my was at Nina and the mom say, I the kneading is okay. I do my cacao, or we bet me have a try now because of a try kneading.